So we are here today, guys, with Richard and Carolyn from the Leather Repair Company. We are delighted to be launching to you our very own podcast channel called Totally Leathered. It is everything, as you can imagine. It's all about leather. And we just can't get enough of it. It's just anything to do with leather, whether it's in cars, handbags, jackets, shoes, you name it, floors, walls, anywhere, you can get it, chairs, it's just totally leathered, and that's what we're about. It's about the repair, the protection, the manufacture. We're going to be delving into all sorts of tanneries and famous people around the world, because it is totally leathered. What do you reckon, Carolyn?
It's going to be a channel for everybody. We will get everybody involved, men, women, kids even. Lots of people are going to be invited to come on and get interviewed by one of us. So we want everybody to join the Leather family, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
It is, as Carolyn says, totally leathered. Thank you very much, guys, and we are delighted to be launching Totally Leathered very, very shortly. In the next few days, our first interview will be taking place with Adam Blackwell from AR Detailing in Hull. So it's going to be absolutely excellent to have Adam here, and we're looking forward to the interview with him. So here's to Totally Leathered.